Hey everybody, it's my favorite time of the month. It's BattleBox time. Let's check out Mission 110. So if you're unfamiliar, BattleBox is a subscription box service and they deal with outdoor adventure type stuff. So let's go ahead and see what we get. So this month is huge. It's a 13 pound box, and as you can see, I am not a small person, so this is not a small box. Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so starting off, we have our mission brief. So this subscription box does go in tiers, so we'll cover in order from the tiers. You have a basic box, an advanced box, a pro box, and a pro plus box. So starting off in the basic box, we got a Rockagator Ultralight Series dry bag. So especially since I have a boat, I love me some dry bags. And let's see what size we got here. That is a pretty decent size dry bag there. Nice and lightweight. Get a good amount of stuff in there. If you're not familiar with dry bags, it's just that. Everything that you put in the bag should stay dry. You roll down at the top here and just clip it in place and everything in there stays dry. It can also be used as a flotation device. There's plenty of uses for a dry bag. I won't get into them all, but yeah, definitely good products. All right, moving along. Next we have the M-Powered Lucy Core. All right, so the Lucy is a solar portable light. So especially for bug out bags or get home bags that I keep, I love having solar powered lights in them. For just that, if you've got no electricity, you can charge them. But it looks like you can also charge the device. And then it just has this flexible core that you can, I don't know, make it stand. You can have it stand on its own. Or you can even hang it on stuff if you're working. You might even be able to make yourself look like Flava Flav. Bunch of different ways you can mount it or hold it. So we got 1, 2, 3, and SOS, or strobe I should say. Yeah, that is definitely going into a go bag for sure. So only thing that I'm not a huge fan on with this is the fact that it is, the power cable is micro USB. Everything is moving to USB-C now, so definitely would have preferred it to have that for a charging option. But again, it's solar powered and that is the purpose that I would want behind it, so overall perfectly fine with that. All right, moving right along. Next, we have a SOG entrenching tool, or what we would refer to as an E-tool in the military. So this is definitely a nice small E-tool. And it looks like I need an E-tool to get the E-tool out. So it's literally just a miniature shovel or something that you would use for entrenching. So this is the first time I've had an E-tool that had kind of like a little pickaxe on the end of it, so that's pretty cool. So you can use that to break through some roots or dig out a little trench, or keep it as a regular shovel, or more importantly, when you got to do the business, you can keep it like this, dig it in the ground, and have yourself a handle to hold on while you're doing your pop and squat. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah, it's definitely a nice little smaller, compact E-tool that I'm used to. So looks like there's probably a little carrying case here in the bottom. Yep. There we go. Has a little belt loop on there. I keep an E-tool in my truck at all times. Now I'll have one for the other vehicle. All right, next. Okay, so that was it for the basic box. We've got the dry bag, the solar powered light, and that E-tool. So pretty good score for the basic box, I'd say. All right, moving on to the advanced box, you get a Fix-It Sticks Shooting and Hunting Edition. Now, I've seen the Fix-It Sticks on Facebook all the time, and I'm always definitely intrigued by them, but ooh, they are not cheap, so I have not purchased any yet. Now I'm glad I haven't. Okay, so it has a nice little carrying case there. You've got 2 individual sticks. Now on these sticks, the bits are interchangeable, and all the bits you have there along the side, it looks like it's probably normal bits. Yep, so your normal bit driver. So if you have other bits that you prefer to carry other than what comes with the kit, you can go ahead and drop those in the bit holder itself. So you got the individual stick that you can use, or you can create a T driver for them. And if you need even more torque, they've got the sides here, which are 1/2 inch. So you can stick a 1/2 inch wrench on there and get even more torque. So let's see the bits that come with it. You get a T10, T15, T20, T25, a T30, a 2.5 inch Allen, 1/8 Allen, 5/64, 3/32, 5/32, 3/16, flat tip, and then here we've got a 3-inch metric, a 3-inch metric, that makes sense, a 5, a number 2 Phillips, and a 4. So nice little just flexible holder for them all. So that will definitely go in the range bag to work on weapons while at the range. Definitely nice. It'd be kind of cool if it had its own little carrying pouch on top of it, but hey, beggars can't be choosers, right? Oh, so it looks like you also get a coupon for 10% off any purchase at Fix-It Sticks. Like I said, they get some really cool stuff there, but it's expensive. All right, so that does it for the advanced box. So of course, if you get the advanced box, you get the advanced box and everything underneath it. Next, we have the Pro box. And okay, this is why the box is so big. This is the Kong Case Rampage Edition. All right, so for lack of a better term, it's basically a Pelican case. So these do have, looks like locking tabs here, and a spot for padlocks to keep everything secure. Nice rubber seal, so it should keep everything dry on the inside, and then it comes with these pick apart foams, so that way you can customize it to hold what you'd like, and you get 2 levels of that. So yeah, I love having these customizable little cases for camera gear and that kind of stuff. All right, and lastly, we move on to the Pro Plus box, which it seems like the common theme. Pro Plus usually includes the knife of the month. And this month you get the Razorback Canyon Fixed Blade, designed by Ross Comer. So, comes in the box. As usual, I need a knife to open a knife. All right. Warning, Razorback knives are sharp. You know, you got to put those on these days. Nice little Razorback sticker there. You got a cleaning cloth. And the knife itself. So it has a little belt clip on there. That knife feels pretty good. Get this stuff out of the way here so we can get a little close-up for you. So this blade is textured. Man, it's like grabbing a dinosaur's tail. And yep, that knife definitely feels sharp. And the sheath is hard plastic. And it definitely holds the knife in there really good. So yeah, great stuff. Okay, so running through the whole list, we've got the Razorback fixed blade knife, the Kong case, we've got the Fix-It Sticks gun edition, the entrenching tool, the solar lights, and the dry bag. So yeah, I would say that's a pretty good score. Definitely happy with that Mission box. Go ahead and put down in the comments what you think is the best part of that box. For me, it's hard to tell. I will say I will get use out of everything that's in the box for sure. I'll put a link to the BattleBox webpage in the description box in case you want to go check out and see what they have. You can either subscribe to the boxes or order stuff directly from them. All right, that's going to do it for this review. If you found it helpful, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button so that way we can get seen across YouTube a little bit better. And if there's anything in particular that you'd like to see reviewed or you have any questions about what we looked at today, just put that down in the comment section and we'll get to it the best way that we can. If there is something that you want reviewed and you put that down in the comment section, please put down if there's something in particular you want tested with that product so we can make sure we do that during the video. Other than that, thanks so much for sticking around. We'll see you next time. Bye.